Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to order tuning solutions for Cummins and Detroit diesel engines remotely using TeamViewer. You'll learn how to choose a convenient time and schedule a session with an operator who will tune your vehicle's software. Follow the step-by-step instructions. The entire process takes just a few minutes. In our store, you can browse the full list of available tuning solutions through the TeamViewer. To do this, visit the homepage at dl.ge, go to the catalog section, and select the services you're interested in by brand or type. As an example, let's select the Cummins engine section and the first service from the general list. Please specify the date and a convenient time for you to install the tuning solution. Provide the chassis number or VIN of your vehicle. After reviewing each of the requirements listed below for the tuning procedure, check off each item, then click the Set Appointment button. In the pop-up window, double-check that you've selected a convenient date and time, then click the Proceed to Payment button. After that, you'll be redirected to the store's cart, where you'll see details of your order. Then click the Proceed to Checkout button. You'll be taken to the checkout page. Fill in all required fields, select a payment method, like a credit card, and click the Top Up button to proceed. We've received your order and sent an email to your address with details about the order and the scheduled appointment time with our operator. 5 to 10 minutes before your scheduled appointment, visit our website dl.ge, open the contact form in the bottom left corner, click the Send Us a Message button, and then select the I Have a TeamViewer appointment option. At the next step, our robot OLEG will prompt you to select your order number from a list or enter it manually. Please choose your order. After verification, our bot OLEG will send all order details to the chat, including a link to download the TeamViewer Remote Access program. Download and install the application. Launch TeamViewer and send the TV session code to the chat window for our bot OLEG. Next, an operator will join the session, and you can continue communication via WhatsApp. To do this, scan the QR code sent by the operator. The operator will begin the tuning process. Please stay available, as you may need to perform certain actions at their request during the tuning. Upon completion of the tuning process, you'll receive a WhatsApp notification, and the operator will provide recommendations for further operation. You'll receive an email confirming the completion of your order. Click the View Your Order button to access your personal account. In the Orders section, you'll find all the details about the provided service. An invoice will also be sent to your email. Thanks for choosing us. Our technical support team is available 24/7. Contact us and we'll find the perfect solution for you.